Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In our previous lesson, we learned how to make configuration OSPF in a single area. But in this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration OSPF in multi-area. So as you see in our topology, consists of 5 routers. And every router has a different area. For example, in this router, its area is area 0. In this router is also its area is area 1, and this router is area 3, and this router is area 2. So in this interface, we will assign this IP address 192.168.10.0, and also this interface or this router interface gigabyte 0/0. We will use or we will assign this IP address 40, and also this one is a 30 and 50. So to start in our configuration, first we will make configure IP addresses to the routers and hosts. So we will start in this router. Click the router interface gigabyte 0/0. Sorry, interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0 no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01 interface gigabyte 01, and its IP address is 10.10.10.1. In this interface we will give 10.1, but this another interface we will give 10.2. Okay, 10.10.10.1 255.255.255.252 because it's /30 no shutdown. Okay, come this another router. No, okay, sorry, come this another one gigabyte 0/0. No, enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0, and it is no shutdown. Okay, come this another router. Enable config. In this interface we will assign this IP address, and this interface will assign this IP address. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.30.1 255.255.255.0 no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 01, and we will assign this IP address 10.10.10.10.5, but this another interface it will be 10.6. Interface gigabyte 01 IP address 10.10.10.5 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, come this another router. Okay, first yeah, in our last you will configure this one. Come this another router, and we will assign this IP address interface gigabyte 0/0 in this IP address. No, enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 and IP address 192.168.40.255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Come this another interface gigabyte 01 and we will assign this IP address 10.10.10.10.9 in this interface, but this another interface it will be 10.10. Okay, interface gigabyte 01 and IP address 10.10.10.9 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, come this router and in this interface we will assign this IP address 192.168.50. No enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.50.1 no shutdown. Come this another interface interface serial 000. In this one it's not 01. This one is a serial interface gigabyte 01. Okay, no IP address 10.10.10.9 255.255.255.252. Okay, and shutdown. Okay, now I make a shutdown and will not make in this interface any configuration. Also, come this one and first to check the interface that you are going to make the configuration. Interface serial 030, interface serial 030 and IP address 10.10.10.9 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, okay, come this router. Now we finish this interface. Okay, come this interface 020 and we will assign this IP address. Okay, interface serial 020 IP address 10.10.10.21 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, now we finish this router is okay. The remaining one is this central router. Okay, come this router and we will start in this interface. What is in this interface is a gigabyte 01 and we will give 10.2. Interface gigabyte 01 IP address 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface gigabyte 02 and we will give 10.10.10.6 because this interface was 10.5. Interface gigabyte 02 and IP address 10.10.10.6. Okay, 6 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, come this another interface. Okay, come this one and it is interface serial 030 and we will assign 10.10.10.10 so because this another interface was 10.9. Interface serial 030, sorry, interface serial 030 and it is IP address 10.10.10.10 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown. Okay, come this last router and it is interface serial 031 and we will give 10.10.10.10.22. Okay, interface serial 031. Let me check the interface 031, and this IP address 10.10.10.225.255.255.255.252, because first was 21 and then no shutdown. Okay, now we finish for the configuring IP addresses to the routers. So the remaining one for the assigning hosts to the IP address. So click this one, this PC 192.1 site, 6 site, the 10.10. And this default gateway is 10.1. Come this another PC 10.20. It is default gateway is 10.1. Come this another PC is 192.1 site, .20.10. And this default gateway is in this interface, and this default gateway is 20.1. Okay, come this another PC 20.20, and this default gateway is 20.1. Come this another host, and we will give this IP address 192.168.30.10. It is subnet mask is class C IP address, and it is default gateway is 30.1. Come this another PC, and we will give 30.20 because first was 10, and this default gateway is 30.1. Come this another host 192.168.50.10. Okay, it is default gateway is 50.1. Okay, come 50.20, and this default gateway is 50.1. Okay, come this last router. Okay, now we finish this one 40.10, 40.20. Okay, 10, 20, 30, and 50. Okay, now we finish for the configuring IP addresses to the routers and hosts. In our next step, it will be configuring OSPF in all the routers to advertise the directly connected networks. So we will start in this router. Click this router. How? Okay. Enable config, and then you will write router OSPF 10, and then you will write router ID 1.1.1.1, and you will advertise only these two networks connected this router, this network and this network, 192.168.10 and .0. Okay, 192.168.10.0. Okay, it is wildcard mask class C IP address 0.0.0.255, and it is area 0. Okay, come this another IP address 10.10.10.0, and it is wildcard mask is 0.0.0.3 because it is slash 30. Okay, and then save your configuration. Now we finish in this router. So come this another router, and we will advertise this IP address and this IP address. Okay, exit, and then you will write router OSPF, sorry, router OSPF 10, and router ID is 2.2.2.2, network 10.10.10.4, 0.0.0.3, and it is area is area 1. Area 1. Okay. Come this another IP address 192.168.30.0 255.255.255. Sorry, it is wildcard mask key 0.0.0.255, and it is area 1. Okay, then save your configuration. Okay, now we finish this second router configuration OSPF. Okay, come this router, exit, and we will advertise only these two networks, this network and this network. Router OSPF 10, router ID is 3.3.3.3, and the network is 192.168.40.0. It is wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255, and it is area 2. Don't forget, please. Okay, network. What's the another network that we are going to advertise? It is this network 10.10.10.8. It is wildcard mask is 0.0.3, and it is area 2. And then save your configuration. Okay, come this another router, how to advertise these two networks, this network and this network. Click this router, exit, router OSPF 10, and router ID is 4.4.4.4. Okay, network 10.10.10.20. It is wildcard mask is 30/30, and it is area 3. Don't forget the area. Okay, come this another network 192.168.50.0, and it is wildcard mask key class IP address .255, and it is area 3. Okay, and then save your configuration. So only remaining one is the central router. So how to make configuring OSPF into multi-area? Okay, click the central router and the first exit, and then you will write router OSPF 10, and the router ID is 5.5.5.5, and we will advertise first this network, so 10.10.10.0, and it is wildcard mask 0.0.0.3, and it is area 0. Okay, come this another area 1, how to advertise, and then network 10.10.10.4. It is wildcard mask is 0.3, 0.0.0.3, and it is area 1. Okay, now we finished these two router. Come this another router. Okay, sorry. Now we finish this interface, area 1 and area 0. So come this another area 2. Network 10.10.10. Let me check, is 8, and it is area 2.8, and it is wildcard mask 0.0.3, and its area is area 2. Okay, yes, you see in here the 4 adjustment. So okay, come this another area or this interface. It is network 10.10.10.20, and it is wildcard mask is 0.0.0.3, and it is area 3. Okay, and then save your configuration. So then you will write do show IP OSPF neighbor. As you see in here, the neighbor ID is 1.1.1.1.1.1, 2.2.2.2.2, and dot 3 router ID 3.3.3.3, and 4.4.4.4.4. Okay, the state is full, and that time in here and address is 10.10.10.1, 10.10.5, 10.10.9, and 10.10.10.921. Okay, then we will check in the database do show IP OSPF database. As you see in here in our database is same in here. Okay, the link ID 1.1.1.1 and 5.5.5.5. Advertisement to router is 1.1.1 5.5, and H 147 and 135. The sequence and checksum link counts. So everything is working fine. Okay, and then do show IPOSPF interface. As you see in here, Gigabyte Internet 01 is up, line protocol is up, internet address is 10.10.10.10.0.2 slash 30 and area 0, and breast ID is 10 router ID. Okay, come this another router, do show IP OSPF database. Okay, in this router connected only to network. Okay, come this another router, do show IP OSPF. Okay, neighbor. Okay, do show IP OSPF database. Okay, everything is fine, and do show IP OSPF interface. As you see in here, everything is going or is working fine. First, in our last step, we will make a trace route the path and we will ping the hosts if they can reach or not. So click this router and this PC and we will ping all the networks. So click this one and come to CMD, ping 192.168.50.10. As you see in here, in our network can ping 50 or this network. This network can ping this network. Okay, and I will ping this another network. Ping 192.168.30.10. and also I will ping 192.168.20.10. Okay, this one is unreachable. Okay, I will ping 192.168.40.10. As you see in here, everything is going fine. So come this BC and we will check if we can reach this one or not. Ping 192.168.40.40.10. Okay, they can reach and they can send a message successfully and send this one message successful and send this one message and it will be successful. So in our next step we will make a trace route all the pieces. So click this PC and click the CMD. Okay, trace search, trace search 192.168.50.10. As you see in here, this one is a 192.168.10.1 and it is the IP address of this router. And this one 10.10.10.10.2 and it is this interface. And this one is 10.10.10.1. So the traffic is coming this router and is coming here, is going here, and then come in this interface and then come in this PC. Okay, come this PC, this PC, and we'll make a trace search in this network or not this network 192.168.40.10. This one is 192.168.50.1. It's this IP address, and the traffic is coming 10.10.10.10.222 and also 10.10.10.9 in this interface. Okay, comes this interface and this comes this interface. So now we finish for the configuring OSPF in multi-area. So thank you very much and please subscribe and share and we will see you in the next class.